systems, applications, and products in data processing. Okay, so systems, it will store systems data, applications data, and products data for a data processing. Okay, so I hope everyone clear, right, on this part. Any queries on what is ERP? On any queries on this? I
Yeah,
hope
it
at
is
least you
clear.
got some basic understanding, right, on ERP.
Yes.
So here you can see
Yes.
this is just a simple diagram. So I draw that for your understanding, but this is the actual. So this ERP will store all the modules information in one single enterprise. Okay, ERP system. So it may finance, purchasing, manufacturing, MRP, inventory management, CRM, customer relationship management and sales, e-commerce, sales, job casting, project management, human resource and analytics and reporting. So everything will be stored in this particular ERP system. Okay, this ERP will be used in a different types of industries like manufacturing industry, distribution industry, professional services, construction, industrial services, like this, healthcare, retail, and many more. So this is a just I mean this is about ERP system. So this softwares will be provided by SAP. Okay, by SAP. So now we are done with SAP. So now what is CPI? Actually SAP along with this module. So whatever we see, right? So there's modules like material management, so like material, I mean finance, purchasing, manufacturing, MRP. So these are along with these modules. So SAP is providing this particular integration module as well. So that is CPI. Okay, so that is CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, and also it is called as a CI, Cloud Integrator. Okay, Cloud Integrator. Okay, so I mean CPI full form is Cloud Platform Integration. Okay, Cloud Platform Integration. So, what is integration first of all? So, before going to Cloud Platform Integration of SAP tool, what is integration first of all? Why we require integration? So, for example, see, this is in a BMW organization. Let's take a simple example. This is in a BMW organization. So, BMW is taking raw material of iron from some, for example, let's take JSW. Okay, JSW organization. Okay, so it's an external. Okay, it's an external tool. I mean, external application. So this is a, let's take a JSW ERP system. Okay, so JSW ERP system. Oh, sorry. JSW ERP system. So now here, this is in a one enterprise. I mean, like this is another enterprise. So both, I mean, these are two different enterprise systems, correct? So if the BMW wants to connect with this JSW ERP system to order, so see, next August they are planning to manufacture 100 cars. They require 10 tons of iron, for example. Okay, so they has to, I mean, so the BMW has to order some. JSW is in a steel manufacturer, right? So then, so they are requesting I mean, they has to send an order to JSW ERP system to get this particular. I mean, they has to order this JSW. So usually, what we will do, we will. I mean, for example, if you want to do any order, just we will open the mobile application and we will just do the orders. But in real s- case scenarios and real time scenarios, that means like in enterprises, they will share the purchase requisition first. So I require this purchase. Okay, I require this I mean this particular product for this particular ton. So the documents will be shared internally. See here, they cannot directly connect with the external ERP systems from our internal ERP. Okay, this BMW is, for example, let's say you are BMW employee. So you cannot directly connect with JSW ERP system. So what we will do is we will introduce one middleware tool in between for the securities reason. Okay, so this is an integration tool. Okay, so it might be any CPI, I mean PIPO or MuleSoft. So integration tool. So there's an integration tool they will introduce. So this integration tool will connect with this particular the first it will maintain a connectivity between this BMW, and also it will maintain connectivity with the JSW as well. Okay, so then what it will do is, so first, when they create a document, okay, when they create a document here, so that document will be shared to cloud integration tool first. The integration tool will send the data to this JSW thing. So such cases, so see, and also, for example, this ERP is from SAP, this ERP, this JSW ERP from Microsoft. So see, I'm sorry. So here these two are different ERP systems. So but integration. So SAP BMW is using SAP. JSW is using for some other ERP system. These are the two third-party system. I mean, different format they require. For example, so BMW is sending in a XML format, but JSW requires in a JSON format. So the integration tool will convert the data to the target system in the required format. Okay, in the required format. Okay, so now the BMW will trigger the data to integration tool. The integration tool will send the data to JSW. So because of this, what will happen is we have a complete. So for example, we have a 10 types of interfaces. We can just simply monitor here. For example, because of this target system is unavailable for some time, so the BMW sends 10 messages. That failure messages you can monitor an integration tool. That is the advantage. If you are directly connecting with JSW, there is no monitoring. Without the integration tool, we cannot do any monitoring here. Okay, so this is the advantage of the integration tool. So what the integration tool will do is it will transfer the data from one enterprise to another enterprise, or one application to another application. Okay, now everyone got it right. What is integration? Why it is required? So it is connecting with one Apple and enterprise systems to another enterprise systems. Okay, share the data from one application to another application, or one ERP system to another ERP system. Okay, so this is about integration. So let me show you. So the cloud, SAP, this is an SAP cloud platform integration. It's a cloud-based middleware integration tool. Okay, so we already discussed this slide. So this is a what is middleware. Okay, so we already I just shown you in the picture, right? So here the middleware can connect with the business partners, web shop, payment gateways, cloud on the cloud systems, and it can also connect with on-premises system as well. The middleware used in a mm, different types of industries like uh, recruiting, and also e-commerce, healthcare, banking services, financial services, supply chain, retail, and many more. The example middleware tools in the market is along with CPI, PIPO, Delbumi, MuleSoft, Informatica, and also SnapLogic, and many more. Okay, so this is the evaluation of SAP integration platform. So this we will discuss later because we have only 5 minutes left. So let me open this particular course content. What are all the topics we will cover? Okay. So actually, SAP integration is not only CPA, Cloud Platform Integration. We have a different modules as well. Okay, we have a different different capabilities in the integration suite. Okay, so this is our course content. Okay, so here, so the main goal of this training is understanding of SAP Cloud Platform. Okay, so understanding integration service and getting free trial access. So see, you don't need to pay any thing for to practice and to get the CPA access. So everything is a practice. Everything will be in a Hmm. just
Trial.
just give me a second. Okay. So, everything will be, so SAP is providing free trial. I will explain you. Um, I will explain how to get this particular trial access and everything. Okay. So, I will guide you how to get this trial access with what authorizations, what are all the authorizations we have to provide. I will clearly explain. Then you can start practicing in the trial tenant itself. Okay, and the pre-packaged content. So we have some ready-made content. So in a usual word, ready-made content we can just copy and use for our requirements. Okay, so work with iFlows with all the options offered by SAP. SAP is providing some of the palette options called. So we will discuss all the palette options without NMS. Okay, clear understanding of operations. Okay, so after configuring integration flows, we have to configure everything. We have to monitor the interfaces that will comes under operations. So core audience we already discussed in the slide. So the note is this training is completely practical and hands-on along with the business examples. Okay, so while training, we will deploy 40 plus integration flows in the runtime. Okay, so we will deploy 40 plus integration flows in the runtime. So the next it is completely practical. If you want, we will provide a system access, whatever I'm configuring the system that you can just simply log in and you start practicing from your end. Okay, so now next is this is a course content. So first and in the first session we will discuss overview of cloud integration services. Okay, these are the subtopics. You can just go through it. I will share this link. Okay, creating and running your first integration scenario and getting SAP CPI trial access and simulation of an integration flow and SAP cloud integration operations and a cloud integration adapter. So we have a different types of adapters. So we will discuss about these adapters: HTTP adapter, HTTP adapter with HTTPS, mail, OData, SOAP, SFTP, process direct, open connectors, JMS, Kafka, JDBC, AMQP data stores. These are all the adapters we will discuss. And the security is more important, right? When you are connecting with any of the systems, the security is more important. We will discuss about the TLS, transport layer security, and message level security, and certificate based communication and user credentials. So these are the iFlow components, integration components, which we will discuss. So we will configure everything. We will discuss everything, and also Groovy script. We will give you the basic understanding of Groovy script, and so you can easily configure from your end. Okay, you can write your own Groovy scripts once it is completed. Okay, these are the scenarios we will done. Along with this, we will also, to connect with on-premises system, we require a cloud connector setup. So we'll discuss about cloud connector, event mesh, and API. API management also covered, event mesh also covered, open connectors also covered. We have a different capabilities, so that capabilities also covered in these sessions, and integration advisory as well. So this, at the final, so once everything is completed, we will discuss about projects and roles and responsibilities of each projects, and one end-to-end project implementation. And these are the tools we will use in the sessions, like a cloud platform, cockpit BTP, business technology platform, and cloud CPI, web UI, and Postman, SOAP-UI, FileZilla, Notepad++, CPI helper. These are the tools we will discuss. We will use while we are discussing on this particular course. Okay, this is the course content. So let me share this link with you. Just give me a second. I'm sharing this link in the chat. If you want, you can check with the Harish as well. Harish will also send this one with you. Okay. So if you, I just pinged in the chat. We have only 1 minute. So if you had any queries, the session will auto closed. If you had any queries, so please register for this course. So we may start from Monday if required. The sessions will continue from Monday if required at the 8:30 same time.